Welcome, and let's talk about Tectonic token once again. Remember, the news now is about how Tectonic token can actually burn and destroy the circulating supply and the supply of Tectonic token. The supply is about 500 trillion now. According to Twitter, some Twitter users, everybody have been bringing ideas on what Tectonic need to do right now, because Tectonic token actually gotten more people having interest on Tectonic token now than ever. Remember that Tectonic token got an exchange that just listed Tectonic token. Even though BVSFinancial.com, I'm also showing more support for this coin. I believe that Tectonic token circulating supply and the total supply is actually much. That's why a lot of people are not actually interested on coins with a lot of supply. When you take a look at Tectonic token with 500 trillion coins in circulation, destroying these coins is not going to be easy. If it's destroying a coin, it's going to be easy. By now, I believe Shiba Inu must have destroyed every coin. I'm sure they must have just maybe 1 billion coins in circulation or 10 billion coins in circulation, because Shiba Inu have the community. Shiba Inu have gotten a lot of exchanges that have listed Shiba Inu. They have a bond portal, and yet they burn just between below 200 million coins in a single day. So by now, people believe Shiba Inu would have been burning billions and billions of coins. So burning coins, destroying coins is not easy. Okay, let me give you another example. Tonic Classic was burning about 20 million to 50 million coins in a single day, and then with the introduction of the 1.2% tax bond, people believe this coin will be burning about 10 to 70 billion coins in a day. And today, Tonic Classic tax bond have only burned just about 46 million coins. So you see, it's not easy burning all these coins. So with Tectonic token, with 500 trillion coins in circulation, it's not going to be easy for Tectonic token to destroy at least 70, 80 or 90% of this coin. So even though they introduce tax bond, even though they introduce a bond portal, even though they start talking about burning, I don't think that is actually going to burn Tectonic token about 80 or 90% of the supply. But the truth is, I believe if the developers can actually do a mass burning, and because they are the one holding the largest part of Tectonic token, so if they can actually come together to decide and burn some of these coins, some of the coins they actually store, they hold, I believe that is going to help Tectonic token. But let's talk about Tectonic token listing. Yes, right now Tectonic token have gotten about 3 exchanges that have listed this coin. We are hoping to see 3, 4 or 5 exchanges coming in to list this coin, and I believe if Kucoin, if Get.io, if FTX, if people like Binance can come in, is going to really create an impact. But it's not easy for Binance to really list Tectonic token at this stage. I believe later they can do that, but Binance does not list coins earlier. But Kucoin, Get.io, Albank, Hotbit, these are people that always list coin at early stage, and I believe with their listening, definitely Tectonic token will be preparing its way to hit a massive increase in price. Well, to me, I'll be buying more Tectonic token holding this coin, because you might never tell, but they have a good project, a good roadmap. But let's hope to see that before the end of this next year, Tectonic token will actually burn at least 70 or half of its total supply. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.